Hey, it's Ed Hill, Senior Consultant, Masters Roofing, Memphis, Tennessee. We tore this roof off about 6 this morning in Germantown. It's been completely replaced. Crew is finishing up. I want to show you something very interesting in the debris pile here. What can you learn from a pile of roofing debris? Well, a lot, as it turns out. Notice here there was at least a little bit of rotten decking that had to be replaced, repaired. We did that with the 1-bys. There's a few left over there. The gutter covers were no longer wanted at this house, so those were taken off, and then we replaced that with 6-inch metal drip edge. There's some bent up old pieces we didn't use there, but anyway, put on the drip edge 6-inch metal on this house. Here's the debris pile. And very typically, when you look at these piles, you'll notice the nails that are used are often shorter than what should be used today. That's very common. So we use the proper length so everything works well. The shingles stay on. This is a power vent that came off. It wasn't working. We decked that in and replaced the ventilation with ridge venting across the ridges, so it's going to be well ventilated. Great roof job. If we can help you with your roof concerns, then call me. My name is Ed Hill. I am Senior Consultant with Masters Roofing, Memphis, Tennessee. And I'm going to go right up to our little sign here, and there's my phone number. You don't even have to memorize it, right? Just write it down. 901-359-4165. Free, honest roof inspection. We also provide bids for those that just want to pay for a roof out of pocket. We help with insurance claims. We've helped over 7,500 customers here in the Mid-South. I've personally been involved with about 800 homeowners getting their roofs replaced. Call me. I'd be very glad to help you with your needs on your roof project. Ed Hill, Senior Consultant, Masters Roofing, 901-359-4165.